In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to automatically add anchor links in WordPress. For this functionality, we're going to use a plugin that will automatically generate a table of contents for your posts and can automatically add anchor links to headings. Simply log into your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Search for the Easy Table of Contents plugin. From the list, this is the plugin that we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now. You can see the plugin rating here. You can also check the plugin's compatibility. Once installed, click on Activate. Once you're done, you'll be redirected to the plugin's page. Here you can adjust the settings to your preferences. You can customize the appearance, behavior, and placement of the table of contents. You can enable the auto insert option as well for various posts and pages. You can also select the position for the table of contents. Configure other settings as well as required. The plugin offers various color settings as well. Let's check the plugin in action. Hover over Posts and click on All Posts. You can see the table of contents here. This is how easy it is to automatically add anchor links in WordPress. Now, in case you also want to learn how to force users to log in first before reading the posts, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link that in the description, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.